The coronavirus has turned the world upside down. The food industry is waging a battle on all fronts. Just recently, Tyson Foods was all over the news. The meat processing giant was forced to shut down 2 of its plants when an employee contracted COVID-19 and spread it to hundreds of coworkers. These days, an oversight in safety protocols can take down a Fortune 500 company in a flash, disrupting the entire food chain. Access Control Security is fighting side by side with businesses, local authorities, and health personnel to protect our food supplies and the network of employees that work hard to feed this country. From the start of this pandemic, security officers were trained to act as a first line of defense against the spread of COVID-19. Their new responsibilities include enforcing strict hygiene and safety protocols at processing plants, food supply factories, and grocery stores. One of their most important duties is to screen employees, vendors, and customers at entrances. They use contactless thermometers to check employees' temperatures and, when necessary, inquire about symptoms and contact history. In some grocery stores, guards enforce the mask mandate, social distancing rules, and hand sanitizing. Security guards across the country are proud to watch over essential workers who are risking it all to keep our grocery stores stocked and shoppers safe. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for instant notifications.